Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to another edition of Awesomecallstrading.com pre-market game plan and morning, afternoon webinar, and all the fun things that go along with going with how we traded this morning's action. I want to welcome I think we had 4 clients come in last night to our chat room and sign up for monthlies, and I just wanted to welcome them all aboard. I think today I did see a few new faces actually come in as well. Not sure if they're 1 day or 1 weekers, but welcome aboard. Today was another day of Boeing. I mean, what can you say? Pre-market gave us just an amazing game plan to play. It was our #1 pick again, along with ACB, CN, VRA, CARA, PYX, PDD, CVS, ARI, GH, Roku, TM, and WAL. One of our brightest and best trades today was probably actually a small cap stock along with Boeing. We did great, but AKTX turned out to be just a stellar winner. I do think the stock is, the market makers on it right now, mid-afternoon, are really they're having their field day just back and forth, yanking 60, 80 cents, 90 cents, $1. But the way the stock is trending, it probably wouldn't be surprised by the end of this webinar in 15, 20 minutes, the stock will probably take out 6. So other than that, we had a really good day in the room. I was really impressed with the trading this morning from so many traders, and I want to just kind of share with you some of the plays we did. If you hear me stop to do a sell order, I'm in some HIIQ. It got hit on some Democratic insurance health issues, and I own it right now at 39.77. So I'm looking for a room to 32 to get out of it. I don't have much shares, but just enough so I can just make a few bucks, okay? So I'd like to get $200, $250 on that trade if I can, or more. So if you hear me stop, I'll take my 60, 70, 80 cents because I have to alert the room when I'm doing. It's very important. So Boeing, let's start with Boeing. This morning we woke up and Boeing again was down to that magical 370 area. Today I felt the stock would probably just grind in between 370 and 390 most of the day. But as the day progressed, we got information, as you can tell, mid-afternoon, the president has decided to ground all the flights, anything to do with that plane in the U.S. So obviously the stock is going to get snapped. The problem that we're having is this is Boeing. I mean, this is Boeing. This is Boeing, okay? Boeing's not going bankrupt because of one plane. It's just, it hurts the stock. I'm not saying it's not, but it's not. It's still a great stock. They're still getting their contracts. They're still getting, the analysts haven't come out really targeted it. It's not like a Tesla where they come out by the droves and just downgrade it. This is just an incident, an unfortunate incident that happened that is going to pass. And once that black box has been actually talked about, what happened, and if it's pilot error, Boeing will fly to over $420 a share in that day alone. But if it's plane error, and this is where what's going on is that fear. What is the reason it happened? And nobody's actually come out and gave it. So even Boeing made the announcement. I think Boeing did a smart thing. The CEO did something smart. He just made a statement. Hey, that's okay. You want to ground our flights, ground our planes, do what you need to do. You couldn't have got a better leadership role right there. Because the last thing you want to do is have a CEO come on and go, no, you shouldn't be doing that. What's wrong with you? Because, again, he's got to adhere. We're America, all right? This is America, all right? You get all these defense contracts, President of the United States. Boeing, you need everyone on your side. Do what's right. And so if the president's going to ground your plane, say, hey, that's a good idea. I think you should do that, okay? But don't fight it because that'll hurt your stock even more. You don't want to do that, okay? So Boeing has recovered nicely. And I remember when it pulled, every pro in here was talking. I mean, I'm talking Dark Side and Brandy and Janny. I mean, I'm looking at it. I shorted the stock 2 times from here to here and then here to here. And It curled around and just ran. Dark side called and said the bottom was in at 365, and the stock has run all the way up and looks like it's going to recover back to 375. You know, everyone has the ability to trade a stock, and I'm sorry, let me stop. 31.29 HIIQ. Oh, yeah. Okay, so I am up about 33 cents. 300 shares. I'm up $92. $100 now. What happened? I'm 335 now. Okay. Uh, fire. What do you think, boss? 31 what? What are you thinking? I'm 30.97.97. 30.977. So what are you thinking? 31.85. Okay. All right. You just tell me when it hits like 85, first target or something. So I'll just hit the button on it. Okay, boss? Anyway, great trade. Now this morning in pre-market, I was telling everyone in chat, there's your 370 area to go long. And the buyer, a small retail buyer came in, started picking it up at 370 right there. And I've been saying that all along that the 370 seems to be that really nice area, um, the battleground for the stock, as you can draw a line across right there. So, and I like to see the stock just keep staying up there. And trust me, when that black box and everything's discovered, now if it turns out it's a plain malfunction, yes, will the stock get hit that day? Absolutely. But if it turns out to be pilot error, the stock is going to roar. And this is why we have such a battle down here of bulls and bears, because these funds know that this will pass. This unfortunate incident will pass. And when it does, the stock will rebound even more. And so this is kind of like a Christmas blue light special at Kmart. Okay. And that's why you see that. All right. So Boeing was a great play today. I'm going to try to flip through this as quick as possible. The next trade, I gave a couple swing ideas today. I gave CVS this morning on a swing. CVS has gotten kind of hurt quite a bit. The last, you can tell, it was a $60 stock. And just got really just pounded. I mean, we're talking pounded down to, look at this $52 area. Well, today Bernstein came out aggressive and came out with a nice upgrade this morning. And Bernstein's a tier 3 firm. I mean, they're not thing to celebrate about. But from a day trader standpoint, I needed this stock to get some. So what made me happy was the price target. I went after the price target, and the price target was $76. So that told me that I like this trade. I think it's a great swing to $60. I'd be picking it up at 55. I think it's poised to make a nice run. I gave every validity reason, and I also told the chat room this is a swing idea. And as you can see per my notes on CVS, it was a great call right here. CVS buy. I'd be a buyer at 55.50 and any pullback on the dip and take it for the next few days to $60. Really a wonderful call, a wonderful trade. Boom, 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 boom. I love the call. So this morning we picked it up at $55.50, added on any weakness, and the stock has roared almost to $57 a share. I think over the next few days you will see $60 a share. Okay. The next one we did was Wall. Wall is another swing idea that maybe some of you don't aware about. Andor said, I just came back, AJ. I made 2.5 points on Boeing on the flag break to 375, as you said. Make sure you tweet that. Make sure you tweet. Oh my goodness. HIIQ. I'm flashing cash. I'm flashing cash. It's 31.64. I'm almost up a point. I like to clear a point on 350 shares. I mean, traders is money. I'm sitting ready to go. I'm poised. It's moving. I would love 32. I would love 32. I would love 32. All right, traders, I need to stop for a second because I'm getting excited because every time I do these webinars, I'm always in a trade. You see this trade right here? You see this? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. 92. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm going to sell. Come on, baby. Go up a little bit. Watch the level 2. I want to sell it live in the room. But I need us to go a little bit more. See those 80s? It was just flashing 90. See that? Look at that 90 up there. I want that. I want to be greedy. I'm up. I'm up. I'm up. I own it at 39.77. I want to get up there. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. There's 73. Come on, baby. 89. You got my number, AJ. I love you. I love you. Fire trader, I love you. I love you. Sell some here? Yeah? No, no, no. Okay, I will sell it. Okay. Oh, I will sell it. I sold it 712. I got it. 7-1. Okay, so I didn't get the full point, but you know what? I ended up with about 74 cents. So, hey, it's a live trade. What do you want me to tell you? So plus 74 cents. Thank you. Kmart got 94 cents. Okay. And I don't know who else took the trade. I do think now, because I'm out of it, the stock will roar through 32. So let me finish the webinar. You guys continue to make money and let me know when it's past 32. All right. So I am all cashed up. I am all cashed up. It's so nice to see green on HIIQ. Thank you so much. And I was actually red and I was adding into weakness because I kind of did something stupid. I bought it up here and I added here and added here and added again here. And I was able to get the average down just under 31 and it paid off. Not something I like to recommend to do, but hey, I didn't take, one thing is that I don't take size in. I nibble. And in this case, I started with 100, 100. I did 50 and then another 100. So I ended up with about 350 shares. And now look at it. Now it's going to pipe. Look at this. I sold here. Now watch it just, oh, it's going to ramp. I got 71. Are you kidding me? Oh, no. 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 Don't go through 32. There it is. Here it comes. Oh, there's almost my point right there. Look at that. Traders, are you making money? Isn't this exciting? You're making money while I'm doing a webinar. Okay? Watch the 32 hit. Oh, my goodness. I sold too early. There's the full, almost one full point right there. Oh, you guys, what a great room to be in. Great environment. Love it. Okay, let's go back to here. I'm sure I'm going to get a lot of shout outs in the room. AJ, it's 36. Like, what are you going to do? Okay, so Wall has been kind of a beaten down stock, but today, yesterday, after hours, they got notice that they're going to be in the S&P 600. They're replacing a company. This is really big for investors, and I felt the stock was very much of a buying opportunity. The stock gapped up from yesterday's close. As you can see, it closed yesterday right around this 24.90, and it gapped up to 25. And I told the traders this is a really nice buying opportunity, and I really like this trade a lot. So I would be swinging this towards $27 to $30 over the next few days. This is really important for the company. This is really good, and I feel very confident stock will rebound from here. So as a day trade, traders took it at 25 this morning. They added on the dip. Some bought at 24.75, and the stock paid off one full point. And I do think it's going to go even more. All right. So congratulations, Kmart. Kmart made 95 cents on the trade, more than I did. Okay, so that was Wall. The next trade of the day, you can see I'm in a good mood. I am all cashed up, traders. I don't own any stock right now. I am all cashed up. Okay. Roku. Now, Roku was a brilliant call today. Now, I came in this morning and there was numerous downgrades on the stock this morning. Okay. Numerous downgrades, and Fly on the Wall had them listed here, as well as Newswatch. And so I was reading each one, but they weren't really tier one firms. You had a downgrade from Loop and McGuire, and these are not tier one firms. So I don't really give it a lot of validity. But what I did notice as I was looking at it on the downgrades, I was looking at their price targets, and they were actually $57, which was kind of ridiculous. And Loop downgraded it to $45. Okay, it's kind of like Bank of America telling you Tesla's worth 30. Okay, it's just you need to stop. Okay, so I was reading these, and then I glanced over one more last time, and I was going through the list, and I saw Roku down here from SunTrust, and they have a $63 price. So that told me, and the stock was gapping too. So I want you to see how we traded this stock in the chat room. Okay, so I really want you to, this was a brilliant call. This was not just a call. I mean, this is next level trading, and it was the top trade in that we did. It was incredible. So I want to show it to you how we wrote it up. Okay, Roku. This is gapping down. Now I did make it. SunTrust did put a buy at 62. Okay, now I would nibble small amounts short at 68.50. The stock will pop towards 70. I'm telling you, I'm scripting this out for you. Now watch this trade. If you're an option player, this would have been just absolutely stunning. The stock will pop at the open. I would nibble some short with room to 70. If it pulls at the open to 66, 67, bounce it back up to 69, and then short for an all-day fader. And the area I wanted was $62. That's what I wanted. I wanted $62. And the reason is because I had a 57 and a 45, but from tier 3 firms. I felt confident that SunTrust at their 62 would probably give me, if the market kind of behaved, I could probably get that thing down to $62 a share. So in the room, I continue to guide it. Now, I want you to see what happened on the stock. It was just, traders, I cannot be more prouder of a call than this. And here's the opening bell. Ding, 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 ding. Can you see what we did? This room is off the hook. Here's the gap down right here, right? See the pull of 2 points? I said short here at 68.50, right here in pre-market. Room to add at the open to 70. Here's the 70 mark. It hit 69.90. And look what happened. Look what happened. Look what happened. $62 a share. $60 a share. I have never been so proud of a trade. I mean, even all the mods, all the pros in here actually said, great call. Thank you, Janny. Thank you, all of you, for that one. That was just to die for. And if you're an option trader, all you had to do was come in here and buy $60 puts. I mean, whatever it costs, just load the crap up. $60 puts. I mean, and you were done. Probably needed what, $2,000 to make $1,500. I mean, I don't know. I mean, that was just a wonderful call, straight up. So, all right. So the next trade that we did was a stock called AKTX. This one goes to our small cap trader in the room. I mean, all around great guy. I mean, B trades. I mean, every day he finds a way to deliver just the most spectacular small cap trades I've ever seen. And today he delivered again. I mean, this stock was gapping up on really kind of FDA news, and he went after it. He saw the push at the open, and he saw the volume bars come in, and he was confident, and he called a long at 250, and he stayed with it all day. And he actually, I think he got out around here, around $5, because he called it to 5, and it did have one more push in it. I don't think it's done yet, to be honest with you. They're holding it up on a flag, so I think if they don't do an offering, it should pop a little bit more into close. And but I played it, I think, twice today. I have to look at my records. One trade was good. I nailed it, and then the second trade pulled me. Right here, I got caught in this pull. I got preoccupied. I was going to sell into this, and I got preoccupied. And look what happens when I turned around the corner for a second. Just, hey, my family comes first. So, yeah, I got caught in that. So it was live when I was doing it, and I went, oh, darn it. But it was a great call. 250 to 5, 100% return on your money. So I was really happy about that. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to give you Airy. and what's he got? Roku, PYX. I'm going to give you two more. Kara and PYX. This is a great call from Fire and myself. Both of us really wanted this stock on the long side, but Kara has a habit of dumping their stock. AJ, yes, Mike, HIIQ over 32 plus. Oh, traders, if you're in the room, this is going to 33. You want to scalp trade it? It's up to you. You want to stare at it? It's up to you. Okay, I can't trade it right now because I got to get my webinar going and finish. This is going to 33 on this right here. Okay, I'm out of it. It's up to you though. Seriously, nothing but buyers here. Okay, so if you're in it still, trim on the way up. But let me know when it hits 33. It should go right around the 33. All right. But I got to finish this webinar. I don't want to get back in there and have it preoccupied. I want to get the webinar done. But there's your 33 touch, and the buyers are coming in. Okay, they're loading back up, and remember, it's down almost 10 points, so this should recover very nicely. And then you can overnight a portion. So let me know when you hit 33 for an 80-cent money. Okay, even if you buy it here, you should still make 33. All right, let me go back to work. I'm sorry. So Kara had good news, but Kara likes to sell up. They had good earnings, good news, good pipeline, data, data, data. But to me, the stock was going to probably dump at the open because there's a ton of bag holders on Kara. All right, so what I did is I went right here and I said, Kara, I want to see a pop at the open to 20, and then gap fill it to $18 and under, and go long, and curl back right back to highs. You see this call? I know you're looking at it and you're going, you must have wrote that when the market opened. No, I wrote this way before the market opened. All right, this is how good we are. This is how amazing we are. We are the shit. Okay, we are the shit. Nobody does what we do. All right, and I hope you're listening to this because we are the shit. All right, this is what sets us apart from every trader out there. HIIQ 3260. Okay, you guys are up already. Go, 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 go. 64. Go, go. Let me know when it's 33. Don't sit there and go, what should I do? Stop it. Stop. Stop. Okay? Stop with your excuses. Long the stock. Let it run at 33. Dump the stock. All right? Sell on the way up. Okay, anyway. So Kara, $18 and under. So I want you to see the setup. You're gonna just, it's crazy. It's crazy. You ready? Ding, 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 ding. Here comes the pop at the open. A little bit of a pop. Then guess what? Just dumped. And guess where it hit? $18. And guess who went long? That's right. The great Fire Trader 05 went long. And just look where it went. I chased it here because I was trying to help traders in another bunch of trades. But I nailed it here. And I caught it all the way and I sold at 19. I put a limit order at 19.75 for about, I believe it was 60, 70-cent trade. But the meat of it was Fire. I mean, Fire nailed it at 18. He was all over this. He loved this stock this morning. Great call. That's why we work together in here. Okay, and then the next trade to finish out this webinar while we're trading live HIIQ was a stock called PYX. Okay, PYX. All right, and I want you to look at this setup today. All right, hold on, let me do this real quick. Okay, and this one, we had a great earnings play. But the problem that I felt on PYX was that it was up a little. I figured it would squeeze at the open. It's really what I wanted. And I made a note that the stock would probably squeeze at the open to $31 a share. And then you could short the stock. And so it was kind of like one of these plays where you went long the stock, you popped it to 31, and then shorted the stock back down to 29. And that's really what I was trying after. And I actually wanted to take out kind of more of low of the day. Okay, so what I did is I put it in writing. I always, as I always do, gapping up. I think the stock will go down to 28.25. I want the stock to pop at the open to 31, go short, and take it to 28.25. Okay, see that? And that was the call. 31, 28.25. Do you want to see the stock? I'm telling you, it's sick what we do in here. All right, ready? Ding, 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 bing, 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 bing. 31 a share, 31 a share, 31.37 topped. Guess what it hit? Ding, 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 ding. $28 a share. I mean, what do you want me to say? I mean, what do you want me to say? All right, that's it. All right, I'm finished. I mean, and by the way, HIIQ, who I was talking to live in the webinar, I said sell it at 33. Guess where it hit? Ready? 32.95. You see what we do in here? A live alert. Even when I'm doing the webinar, I'm telling traders, get in there at the 31, at 32 area, take it to 33. So everyone has an opportunity. You could have made a point just by coming in the room, listening to a webinar. You don't hesitate in here. You're in the greatest chat room in the world. It's called Awesome Calls Trading. That's what we do. We're all about money, making money, not about DVDs. We're trying to figure out why a stock is going up and down. I mean, we're so past that. Okay, we're so past that. Anyway, want to join us? Awesome Calls Trading. Click right here. 25 a day, 100 for a week, 197 for a month, $6 a day. I do return your money on a 1 day and a 1 month. If you want to join us on the Discord, man, we are growing. We're going to hit 1,000. We're on our way to 1,000. We currently have 920, 919. We are going to 1,000 traders. 1,000. We want 1,000 in here and then take it to another level. All right. So we got Discord going, and of course we got the YouTube. I mean, we're just magical. We're a magical chat room that just can't stop. And here's our YouTube, Awesome Calls Trading. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed today. Thank you. Follow me on Twitter and come be a part of our room. All right. It's a wonderful place to trade. I love it. So take care. Be good, be well, and I'll see you tomorrow. And don't forget, Awesome Calls Trading. We just want you to succeed. Take care.